friends, well, welcome back. My name's NatMoran and I live in my truck camper full-time with 3 dogs, and I'm here at this amazing lake in Oregon checking out the views. So I was supposed to jump in this lake, but it's not hot enough and that water is really cold, so we're just going to look at it for now, but maybe I'll jump into another lake later on when it's a little bit warmer. So the plan for today, we're going to Crater Lake to explore the beautiful national park, and then from there, I have no idea.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. He took out a notepad and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers and you'll find what you've got.
I'm walking into Walmart, and it is the same Walmart that I was in Ontario, and I'm in Ontario, Oregon, on the Idaho border. Same Walmart I stopped at after my backpacking trip with Agron when I had hurt my leg. So it's kind of a nice little memorabilia thing. Okay, so we left the Walmart, and yep, we got a whole bunch of good stuff. I even got stuff to help me organize and get more productive in the RV. I'm really doing pretty good. You know, I'm almost at 2 months on the road, and I'm starting to really get the hang of things. So I'm back in Idaho, and then we're going to a campground tonight, and my goal is to go check out the Sawtooths and see where the snow levels are. Just to kind of get a gauge for how things are going to be for when my mom comes. So I'm going to start working my way over to the trailhead, and I don't know if I'm going to do like little mini hikes or what I'm going to do. I don't have cell phone service, so I can't stay there during the week. But yeah, I think that's what the plan is I'm going to start working my way that way and see what the snow looks like, since there's no recent reviews on AllTrails or any of the other apps that I use for hiking and backpacking and so forth. So that is the plan. I'm feeling really good. The dogs are good. We got stocked up. We are having a great time. Beautiful day. It is 81 degrees. Doesn't feel like it. It feels perfect. So we're gonna go get set up in our new campsite and figure things out as we go. So here's camp. I'm all set up. I got the 3 leads. Jethro's already tangled, and I am perfectly level. How did that happen? I gotta come hang out with Agron because he'll bark if I go too far. So I'm here in Idaho at a campground. No service. And I am absolutely in love with this spot. Man, I keep finding these awesome spots. It is mosquito heaven though. There's a lot of mosquitoes. So there's quite a bit of snow up here. So tomorrow we're gonna get up and we're gonna go walk this road here. Looks like there's a lot of little trails and Jeep roads and stuff out here, and there's a lot of snow. So that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. So here's camp all set up. Gonna be a nice little sunset over there. You can see the road. There's still a little bit of snow. And there might be a storm brewing in just up there. So for tonight, for dinner, we're doing tacos. Taco Saturday. I'm pretty hungry, so I think we're gonna go do that. Got a hair. I'm just having so much fun. Oh my gosh. Dinner. Here's this view. Well, dinner was very good, and the sun is starting to set. It's actually getting kind of chilly, so not really sure what the temperature is going to be, but I've kind of been getting used to the hot weather, but we're definitely in the mountains now and it's not hot anymore, so I'm probably going to go watch the sunset and call it a night. Okay, so I am at a new campsite because the other one, even though I loved it, it had no cell phone service and I have to work tomorrow. So I'm here just outside of Stanley, Idaho, and I have a freaking amazing spot. I keep landing all of these cool spots. Could be because of where I'm at. I'm in a really awesome location. Anyways, the Sawtooth Mountains are just behind the camera. There's a creek here. I'll have to look on the map to see what that's called. I'll put it somewhere. But yeah, this is awesome. Let's go take some pictures and explore a little bit. harvesting creek water, purifying it so that I can drink it. Brought to you from this beautiful creek. That is my water source. Pretty good. I found a dumpster to dump all my trash, so I have my windows open, kind of airing that out. But all is good, all is good, all is great in my world. You want to go swimming again? He loves the creek. He already went swimming. He's all wet. Here's the other two, sniffing around, exploring. He's hanging out in the shade. This bad boy is hot, even though it's not even that warm outside. And over here, we are harvesting solar. Not doing too bad. Could be better, but oh well.